Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered just how vast and mysterious the universe really is? From mind-blowing celestial bodies to unexplained cosmic phenomena, the universe holds secrets that continue to baffle scientists and ignite our imagination. Whether it's the sheer size of galaxies or the possibility of life beyond Earth, the universe is filled with fascinating facts that challenge what we know about existence. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most unbelievable facts about the universe that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. So buckle up as we take a journey through the cosmos and uncover the hidden wonders of our universe. The universe is expanding. One of the most mind-blowing facts about the universe is that it's constantly expanding. Scientists discovered this phenomenon in the early 20th century, and it's still one of the most fascinating mysteries in cosmology. The expansion means that galaxies are moving away from each other, creating more space between them. What's even more surprising is that the rate of this expansion is accelerating due to a mysterious force known as dark energy. This invisible force makes up around 68% of the universe, yet we still know very little about it. If the universe continues to expand at this rate, it could eventually stretch so far that galaxies become isolated, making the night sky darker and emptier. The idea of the universe endlessly growing is both awe-inspiring and unsettling, reminding us of just how little we truly understand about the cosmos. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. It's hard to wrap our minds around just how big the universe really is, but here's a fact that puts it into perspective. Scientists estimate that there are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts on Earth. With around 100 billion galaxies, each containing billions of stars, the total number of stars is estimated to be around 1 septillion. That's a 1 followed by 24 zeros. This mind-boggling number shows just how small our planet is in the grand scheme of things. Each of those stars could potentially have its own system of planets, making the chances of finding alien life out there much higher than we might think. The sheer scale of the universe is enough to make anyone feel small and reminds us of how much more there is to discover. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Time works very differently on other planets, but Venus takes it to another level. Venus rotates on its axis so slowly that a single day on the planet lasts about 243 Earth days. However, its orbit around the Sun only takes 225 Earth days, meaning a year on Venus is actually shorter than its day. This happens because Venus spins in the opposite direction of most planets in our solar system, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. If you stood on the surface of Venus, you would see the sun rise in the west and set in the east, the exact opposite of what we see on Earth. This strange rotation adds to Venus's already mysterious nature, making it one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system. It might rain diamonds on Jupiter and Saturn. Imagine a planet where it literally rains diamonds. That's the reality scientists believe exists on Jupiter and Saturn. These gas giants have atmospheres filled with methane, which under the immense pressure and temperatures deep within the planets, transforms into carbon. As the carbon falls through the atmosphere, it hardens into graphite and then into sparkling diamonds. These diamond rainstorms could produce millions of carats every year, making these planets the ultimate luxury treasure troves. However, these diamonds would never make it to the surface, as they would eventually melt under the intense heat and pressure of the planet's core. It's a mesmerizing example of how the extreme conditions in space can create natural wonders far beyond our imagination. The coldest place in the universe. When we think of space, we often imagine freezing temperatures, but there's one place that holds the record for being the coldest in the entire universe. The Boomerang Nebula, located about 5,000 light-years away from Earth, has a temperature of -457.7 degrees Fahrenheit, just a fraction above absolute zero. This icy cloud of gas is even colder than the background temperature of space itself. Scientists believe the nebula's bone-chilling temperature is caused by the rapid expansion of gas from a dying star at its center. The Boomerang Nebula is not only a fascinating example of how extreme space can be, but also a glimpse into the final stages of a star's life. A spoonful of neutron star material weighs billions of tons. Neutron stars are some of the most bizarre objects in the universe. These incredibly dense stars are formed when massive stars collapse in on themselves during a supernova explosion. What's truly mind-blowing is their density. Just a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh around 6 billion tons, roughly the same as a mountain on Earth. The gravity on a neutron star is so powerful that it could crush a human into a thin layer of atoms instantly. Despite their small size, neutron stars are some of the heaviest and most extreme objects in the entire universe, pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. Black holes can slow down time. Black holes are among the most mysterious and powerful forces in the universe, but they don't just swallow everything around them. They can also warp time itself. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the immense gravitational pull of a black hole can slow down time for anything nearby. If you were to get close enough to a black hole, time would appear to move slower for you compared to someone watching from a distance. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, means that someone orbiting a black hole could age significantly slower than someone on Earth. It's a mind-bending concept that shows how gravity and time are interconnected in ways we can barely comprehend. Dark matter makes up most of the universe. Everything we can see, stars, planets, and galaxies, makes up just 5% of the universe. The rest is made up of mysterious substances called dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is invisible and doesn't emit light, but scientists know it exists because of the way it affects the motion of galaxies. Despite making up around 27% of the universe, no one has ever directly detected dark matter. Its existence remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in modern physics. Without dark matter, galaxies wouldn't hold together, making it one of the most important but least understood components of the universe. The largest known structure in the universe. The universe is home to some truly massive structures, but none are bigger than the Hercules-Corona Borealis Great Wall. This cosmic structure is a giant cluster of galaxies stretching more than 10 billion light-years across. It's so large that it defies our current understanding of how the universe is organized. Scientists are still trying to figure out how such a massive structure could have formed, as it challenges the idea that matter in the universe is evenly distributed. The Hercules-Corona Borealis Great Wall is a reminder that the universe is far more complex and mysterious than we could ever imagine. The universe is full of wonders that stretch the limits of our imagination, from diamond rainstorms to invisible forces shaping entire galaxies. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the cosmos, but there's still so much left to explore. As we continue to push the boundaries of science, who knows what other unbelievable secrets the universe is hiding? If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.